Things first, I appreciate your support. I am back. So a quick one on how to resolve an IE error code on your washing machine. First, check if there is water coming in. So it could be off, like this one is off, so ensure it's on. So if it's okay, so there's enough water, close that. So if there's enough water, close that and plug the pipe. And then you check the filter. There's a filter here. Check the inlet filter using a pliers. Ooh. Look at that. So this could be the cause. So if you're lucky, you clean that filter and plug it back. But there are always two. There's one here. Let's use a flat screwdriver. You need this. So once you clean that, water should start coming in. But if you are unlucky, look at this. No, these are the solenoid valves that pump in water. So when they overheat, they might end up bursting and it won't work. So let's check continuity on these three. You're only doing this if you've checked the water is okay, the filters are okay, but water won't come in. So what you're going to do, we're going to test continuity on these three. So this one is responsible for soaking water and taking softener. This one is for washing. So this one, water comes in first through this and then this. So let's start with this one here. You see, when you do this, there should be continuity on the multimeter. So we're going to check this. See, there's nothing. This one here. That one is okay. The drying side, that one is okay. This one is dead. So you're going to replace the solenoid valves. You can replace a complete unit, or we just remove this. On this one here, to cut on cost, I'm going to replace only one. So there are two screws here. I'm going to remove those. So once you remove those screws, you pull these out. So we're going to remove this one. I prefer to lubricate it a little bit, because if you force it out, then what happens is the casing breaks. This plastic casing breaks, so you have to be careful when replacing that. If you can't, just buy a whole unit. So we're going to pull this out. This one, I'm going to pull this out. You see there is a crack. This one overheated. There's a crack. There you go. Pull it out. So that's the reason I'm saying you have to lubricate this. Be careful. This one breaks. If you force it out, this will break. So you'll have to replace the entire casing. So you have to be careful so that you don't break this casing here, this plastic stuff. So you're going to change this. Yesterday I fixed a Samsung, so I removed one, so I still have one more. So you're going to remove this and then we plug it here. Before that, I'll check continuity on this to ensure it's working. So there's continuity. So this one is okay. Same procedure, you're going to pull these out. So this one has a crack. So this is what we removed. We're going to replace with this one. So you push it in. Like that. Then we screw it back. Ensure it's tight. And then we plug back our cables. The blue goes there. White goes there. Light blue goes here. And then we plug back the pipe. But before that, we return the filters, clean them and return. There are two. Plug back the filters. Then we plug back the pipe. Open the top to check for leakages. There's still a leakage. Close it. Make sure it's tight. There's still a leakage, so I'll have to remove it and balance the seal. Now, okay, no leakages. Okay. So we test it before putting the top cover. Let's put it on a quick wash, quick 30. I don't want to waste this soap because there are no cloths in there, so let's remove the dispenser. There you go. Now the machine is okay. It's pumping in water. So we plug back the top cover. Put the two screws back, then level the machine and you're good to go.